This video explains the simple 4-step process for using the Ultimate Glass and Metal Protection Refresher Kit. The kit comes nicely packaged and contains a microfiber cloth, your application instructions, a bottle of our Ultimate Glass and Metal Protection Nano Coating, a bottle of our pre-cleaner, and last but not least, a bottle of the stainless steel cleaner. The first step in the process is to clean all of the stainless steel components that are going to be coated. Put several drops of the stainless steel cleaner on a sponge, a little goes quite a long way, and then start cleaning the stainless steel components to refresh them, which they're going to need if they've been exposed to the elements for any length of time. Clean in a methodical way, starting with one post and any brackets, and then moving to the other post and any brackets. Be sure to get to every part of the stainless steel surfaces, even those awkward little corners. As a little more stainless steel cleaner is added to the sponge, you can see from the colour on it just how effective the cleaner is, even though these posts are actually new. The last component to clean, of course, is the handrail, and once you've cleaned the stainless steel components, thoroughly wash off any residue with water. And using paper towels or some kitchen roll, you can dry everything off. Wait until everything's properly air dried before going on to step 2, which is to thoroughly clean the surfaces to be coated with our pre-cleaner. Begin by folding your microfiber cloth and then either spray the Pro Cleaner directly onto your cloth or spray it onto the surface to be coated. If it's very warm or at all windy, we would definitely recommend spraying onto the cloth in order to minimise waste. The cleaner removes grease and oil from hard surfaces, so do be careful to clean every part of each component. It's also best to take a methodical approach. Begin with the first post, then clean one side of the glass, do the second post, then move on to the other side of the glass, and finally do the handrail. Just be sure to coat the whole surface of each component as you go. That brings us nicely on to step 3 in the process, the application of our Ultimate Glass and Metal Protection Nano Coating. Applying the nano coating is just like applying the cleaner, and you can spray the cloth or spray the surfaces to be coated. Follow the same methodical approach you used before to ensure that the entire surface of each component has been coated. As you apply the coating, you may notice some streakiness on the surfaces as it begins to dry. This is perfectly normal and will be removed during the final step in the process. Once you've coated all areas, allow the coating to dry for 2 minutes. The last step in the process is to buff the surfaces you've coated to remove any streakiness from them. Once again, be methodical and follow the same sequence of components. The first post, one side of the glass, the second post, the other side of the glass, and finally the handrail. And that's step 4. Job done.